welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with an exciting haul video. I feel like I haven't done a haul in a really long time, but I recently signed up for Fabletics. If you haven't heard of them, they're like an online store. It's mainly like activewear, but I know they have other stuff as well, I think. So I just get my activewear there. They have like a 2 for $24 on leggings, and their leggings are the best quality leggings ever. Like, I have two black pair that I got the last time I did the 2 for $24, and literally I wear them 80% of the week because I love them. If you hear squeaky toys, we have a new puppy and they are playing in there, so I'm sorry about that. But Bella is keeping her occupied while I film because I tried to do this while she was napping, but I ended up getting on a cleaning run and just was cleaning a lot. So yeah, now she's awake and they're playing. If you haven't seen that video where we did get the new puppy, go check it out. I will have it up in the cards and in the description box below. But she is something else. She's now at my feet, Bella. So this is going to be a try-on haul. I will show you everything that I got on. I also did get a lot of like outfits. They have like outfits already put together. So when you sign up to be a VIP, that's when you get the 2 for $24. And then they have tons of other deals. So they had like half off of like outfits. So I ended up getting all of this for $100, which is amazing because I'll show you some of the prices on the leggings alone, and it is such a huge steal. So it's awesome to be a VIP. It's very much worth it. So definitely go check it out. I will also leave Fabletics in the link below. This is not sponsored or anything. I just simply love their clothing, and I'm in activewear 6 out of 7 days a week, if not 7 days a week, just because I work in it and then I don't really go out anywhere mostly, so I always just throw on leggings and stuff. So that is a long intro about this, but let's just jump right on in. I'm wearing the first thing, not this, but the sports bra and black leggings. So for the 2 for $24, I'm pretty sure I got a pair of black leggings, and they are the high-waisted solid power hold. So this just says the iconic fabric we're famous for. Maximum compression meets 4-way stretch for a fit that sculpts and supports you before and after the gym. And these were regularly $69.95, so $70 for a pair of jeans. And think, I bought all of this for $100. So it's a huge, like, the savings is incredible. So the black ones are the power hold, and then the sports bra that I'm wearing today is the Petra Seamless Sports Bra, and it's regularly $30. So right there is your $100 in just this one outfit that I'm wearing. So yeah, super cute. Love this. So far it's super comfortable, and I just love how like fitting and how they like sculpt, and I love high-waisted everything right now, so I think all of these are pretty much high-waisted. I'm going to show you the next outfit because the leggings are from Fabletics, but I got the top from Amazon, but I wanted it to be like a certain kind of outfit, so I got these purple leggings. They are the high-waisted solid power hold leggings. So they're the same as the black. They're just in this beautiful purple color, and I absolutely love these. I cannot wait to wear them. So of course I'm an LSU fan, so I had to pick those up, and then I had to find like a yellow something to go with it. So I just bought this bralette off of Amazon, so that it would be like LSU, and I may put like LSU or Tigers on the front of this just to make it look like an official LSU outfit. But I absolutely love that. It is so cute. And then the next thing I got, so the pink sports bra that I'm wearing that you saw, it's okay baby. So the pink sports bra came with these leggings as an outfit, and I'm pretty sure this outfit was like $25, I think. These are the Solar Capri printed. These are super cute. Like, the quality of these is so amazing. Like, I love it. So this is what they look like. Of course, I'll show you everything on, and I'll put these on with the pink sports bra so you can see the whole outfit together. But yeah, I love these, and these are cropped. The purple and the black ones are not cropped. These are the cropped ones. And then I'm pretty sure all the outfits were $25.95 or something like that. So the next outfit I got was these pink leggings, and these are the high-waisted mesh heather. So they're like a heathered pink. They have the side pockets, which I love, and then they also have some mesh going down the side. I just really cannot get over the quality of leggings for the price. Like, you cannot find this anywhere else. So to go with these, I got a top. So I just got this white top. It is the Trisha mesh tank. So it just has like this athletic look on the front of it. And then it's kind of like a muscle tank. And then the back is just mesh, as you can see. I just thought this would be super cute to work out in or just to wear. But I am going to be working out at home. So I just thought that would be cute. I'll probably be in leggings and a sports bra or shorts and a sports bra mostly. But, you know, I just decided to switch it up and get like a top. Because you could also wear this under something with like, you know, a jacket, a cardigan, or whatever. I mean, you could do different things with it if you wanted to. It's just a white tank top. Okay, and the last outfit I got is another sports bra and legging set. So the first thing is the sports bra, and it is the Eliza Seamless Sports Bra, and this is the zebra. They had another print option, but I just liked the gray. So this is, it's just like zebra print, and it's super cute. I love the gray. And then the leggings, these are kind of like a different fit and material than the others, but they're still really soft and really good quality. So they're high-waisted, and then they're gray, and then they have the matching zebra at the bottom. These are so cute. I love these. So yeah, I'm going to try everything on and show you guys what it looks like really quick, and that's going to be it for this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this Fabletics haul. If you want to see more hauls or more activewear or regular hauls, let me know in the comments below. I do a lot of dirt sheets. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Comment down below what your favorite outfit was. I would love to know. Obviously mine is the LSU one. I absolutely love it. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.